Hey guys, Chad here with Pure Media Systems. Today we're doing a service call down here in Dallas, Texas at one of our customers. We did this system about a year and a half ago, but we're just doing a service call and going through and updating a few things. We just wanted to share with you what we did here and hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so here we have a Sony 75-inch, it's the XBR 75X900E from last year. If we go around here, this is actually a full custom build here. So the customer's going through a remodel. We actually went in and pre-wired the room here. And then before drywall was done, before the cabinet over here was being built, none of this was here before. This is all framework. We actually went in and wired, put in rear speakers here, as well as wiring for a subwoofer over here in the corner. They actually have it underneath the cabinet here. That's the SVS SB-1000. It's a 13-inch cube, 12-inch driver. It's very, very powerful. Up here we have the Klipsch reference Premier speakers, in-wall speakers. Again, I'll overlay some pictures here that show the process of what I framed here. I've got one of those on each side. So this is a tiled fireplace in here. The magnetic grills, very nice and easy to use. And it just pops right back on, just like so. I've got one of those on each side, and the RP-640D from Klipsch as well. This we have just mounted right underneath the TV. Down here we have, in the cabinet, the Pioneer Elite receiver, as well as another network switch. We did their networking as well. All the equipment is actually in another closet on the other side of the house. The Sony 4K Blu-ray player, AppleTV 4K, Harmony Pro hub that we have here, and the dish box. Over here is actually an old camcorder that we came in and hooked up for them. They like to go and watch old home movies, so they can easily pull that out. That's why the cables are a little loose in there, so they can pull it out and control it in there for them. The Pioneer Elite receiver does upconvert or upscale all of the analog inputs directly to HDMI, so they don't have to have any converters or anything like that, and it puts it right out to the Sony TV. Like I said, we actually wired for more reference Premier, the Pro line of the Klipsch speakers up here in the corners as well, for the rear speakers. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough here. If you're wanting any system like this from installed and you live in the Dallas area, Dallas, Texas area, please call Pure Media Systems, 972-905-0556. We are authorized dealers for pretty much everybody, as you can see: Sony, Klipsch, SVS, Pioneer Elite, really anybody. Please call us again at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Please help out your local businesses. If you're nationwide and just want to purchase products, don't forget to call us. We can certainly ship nationwide and help you out with any products. It's just like buying directly from the manufacturer. You have full manufacturer's warranty or anything else. So again, number's 972-905-0556. You'll see the number and email address right below here. And please, again, click subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified of new videos. Thanks.